Hi, I'm Fahreen, and today I'm gonna read a story called The Supernova Mom, written by Insra Shakhawat Russell and illustrated by HerStory Foundation. Let's read. There is a very special supergirl, a real lifesaver. Her name is Supernova. She fights crime, protects the weak, and punishes criminals. No one knows her true identity. No one except me. I have discovered that Supernova is my mom. My brother thinks I'm crazy. He says that our mom is just like everyone else. But what about the burnt gummies I found in her closet the day after Supernova put out the fire in the neighborhood factory? And the scratches on her hands after the high-profile rescue of the kidnapped animals? Finally, last night I snuck out and followed Mom when she left for work. I was expecting her to go to a super secret lab with super gadgets, but instead she went in an old-looking building, up 5 flights of stairs, and into a small room full of other women like her. She sat down at a sewing machine and started working. I watched her sewing for a long time. She was very good at what she was doing, but I could see she was getting tired. I dozed off and was awakened by the sound of the bell. I rushed home and was in bed just minutes before Mom returned. When she came into my room to kiss me, I really wanted to tell her how sad that she did not work in a super high-tech office for fighting evil. I wanted to cry, but kept my eyes shut, pretending to be asleep. Good thing I kept her quiet. The next morning, I watched Mom as she zapped around the house, fixing things, cooking, and helping us with our homework. She was moving at super speed, catching falling cups, doing 3 things at once, all the while humming and smiling. She did not even look tired after last night's sewing. She is good at pretending to be just Mom, but now I know for sure that she is Supernova. Now when I look out my window, I see millions of supernovas, each one a mighty force, just like my mom. And I know that I too am growing up to be bright and strong. One day, I will, in my own small or big way, also make a change. Because if not me, then who? I wanted to add that reading is important because one of the basic reasons of reading is that we can grow mentally, emotionally, and psychologically because the books give us opportunities to discover ourselves and learn valuable lessons about life and experiences. It also helps us. It also helps us be more focused and motivated, and be more concentrated for our work. It also improves our emotional health and memory enhancement. So I think we should continue reading.